Crash, bam, boom. That's the
awful ticket.
no. That's not TV. Okay. Rocket. Okay. What's that?
Rack.
What's this?
Awful.
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 Awful. Awful food. Fish stretch. Bench.
Okay.
Me.
What's that?
Disgusting.
Okay. Disgusting. Okay.
Ma.
Horrible.
Horrible.
Anything that's not good.
It's
Okay. Let's see. Okay, that's racket.
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 Okay, spell.
R-A-C-K-E-T. Racket.
What's that?
Racket.
I think it is something else. Confused noise. I think that's it. Okay. Off racket. Racket. Okay, it's a noise. Okay. Confused noise.
Confuse the noise.
Okay, can spell it.
R-A-C-K-E-T. Racket.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Noise.
Okay.
Noise. The F-R-R racket on the stairs and
Is any indication? Okay.
someone must be
Moving
into
apartment
the
3B.
creepy
Okay.
racket.
Okay.
Racket. Noise.
Okay. Noise. I didn't know that it could mean noise. Okay. That's the awful.
Racket
Okay, that's the awful noise.
that makes wakes me up at sunrise. Each morning a new house is going up across the street. I have no
Peace.
peace and quiet. All I hear is people shouting and machines
Roaring. Okay, like a 9. Roaring. Little bit. You see, like that. Like the raw. What's that? Okay.
Racket.
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 Can spell.
R-A-C-K-E. Racket.
One more time.
R-A-C-K-E-T. Racket. Now. Stop. Noise.
Okay.
Noises.
Noise. Okay. Rock noise. Raw. This is a 9.
Roar.
Oh,
Roar.
oh,
Roar.
oh.
Okay.
To make the loud sound of a wild animal.
Good.
Roar.
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 Okay. Roar. It's a roaring. Machine roaring. Machine make a noise. Okay. Okay.
This text is from the point of view of Mr. Miss.
Miss. Okay. This is Mr. You see? Mr.
Mr.
Miss.
Miss.
Okay. Freeman.
Freeman. The leader of the building.
Crew. Crew. A group of people. Okay.
Crew.
Okay.
Every year. Each day I checked on my crew. The loud
Clatter.
listen.
The sound you see. This make the sound. What's that?
Roar.
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 Roar. To make the loud sound of a wild animal.
Good.
Clatter.
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 Now the clatter is a noun. Okay.
Clatter.
Okay. A rattling sound.
A rattling sound.
Okay. As of hard bodies striking together. Okay. Rattling sound. Okay. The clatter of pots and pans.
Pants.
Okay. Okay, spell it.
C-L-A-T-T-E-R. Clatter.
Okay.
Mouth.
Yeah, that make a clatter sound. You see, and this clatter, it also make that sound. Clatter. Okay. Okay.
As
Instead of noisy, confused activity. Okay. Okay. Noisy activity. Okay.
The clatter of a
Crowded cafeteria. Okay, spell it.
C-L-A-T-T-E-R. Clod.
Okay. Noisy. Rattling sound. Yes. Commotion. Okay. Okay. The louder
Clattering
clatter.
of the equipment lets me know that we are clattering,
Creating.
creating something great. A sense of
Pride.
pride hits,
Feels.
my
Spirit. My mood. Okay.
a sense of
Pride.
pride fits
Feels.
my spirit. A sense of pride fits.
What's that?
Fit.
What's this? Feel. Feel the water. Okay, in the bathtub.
Feel fit.
Okay.
A sense of
Pride.
fills my
Spirit.
A sense of
Pride. What's this?
Pride, fits, fills my spirit as I watch the builders work as the house
Steadily.
steadily
Okay.
steadily
Rises.
rises. I see my
Plants.
plants coming to life, and know we are doing a good job. How is Miss
Freeman's.
Freeman's point of view different from Mr.
Hardest.
Miss Freeman makes the work on the building sound quieter. Miss Freeman makes the work on the building sound more annoying. Miss Freeman suggests that the building crew is not working hard. Miss Freeman describes the work on the building it as
Satisfying.
satisfying.
Okay, which one?
This one.
Okay.
Satisfying.
Okay.
Submit.
Yeah.
Satisfying.
Okay, you did it. Good job. Let's go back into what we can do next. Maybe you can hear some. Maybe did not work. Okay. Now, what did you do?
If you
Is that? I thought the pinning, right? I think maybe they added here. Anyway, I just read it this part. Theme. I just read some, okay. It's too different. Okay, read the following story. Choosing straws.
Out
Through
the bar. Choosing
chores. Bonnie, Annan, and Grace chattered. Chattered means they talk about. Okay, chat. Chat. Yeah, the chat is. What's that? Do you remember?
Clatter.
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 Now.
Rattling.
Sound as of hard
Bodies.
together.
Okay, I think we can stop